This is the Ionic Dot Diagram worksheet, and I just thought I'd do a couple off of here to help you out a little bit. So if you don't need help with this worksheet, then you don't need this video. Okay, if I can just get it to go where I want. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to start with number 4. And here's the thing to remember about Ionic dot diagrams. The first element always gives away electrons and ends up positive. And the second element takes electrons and ends negative. So you're taking them off the first one and putting them on the second one. And each element needs a separate color. Each atom, even if it's the same element, needs a separate color. So I'm just going to start with K here. Potassium is in group 1A on the periodic table, so it has 1 valence electron. And then I'm going to use a different color. So I have 2 potassiums because it says K2. And then S is in group 6A, so it has 6 valence electrons. And then according to what I just set up above, the sulfur is going to take the electrons, the potassium is going to get rid of them. And the reason for that is potassiums, if they can get rid of that 1 valence electron, then their valence level is going to be at the one before it, and it's already got 8. Sulfur needs to gain 2 more and it'll be full. So we'll take them off the potassium and put them onto the sulfur. And that's going to leave the potassium. We took 1 off, so it gives it a +1 charge because electrons are negative. Okay, so I think I had that sulfur wrong. I think it's 7 there instead of 6, but I fixed it. Okay, and so potassium would have a +1 charge again. And then the sulfur is going to have, we added 2 negative electrons, so it's going to have a -2. So it should look like that. So hopefully that helps with that one. And next we'll look at number 5. Okay, so number 5, there's 2 aluminums, and each one has 3 valence electrons because it's in group 3A. And then there's 3 oxygens. Wait, I need to spread that out. Whoops. Okay. Okay, so that's how it starts out. We take them off the first one and put them onto the second one. So oxygen will have it'll keep its 6. And then aluminum is going to give away its electrons. So we'll give one here, one here, one here. And then the other aluminum will do the same. One here, one here, one here. And then everything is charged because we changed the number of electrons. It's close enough. Okay, so let's see. Aluminum lost 3, so it's going to be a +3. Oxygen gained 2 negative electrons, so it's a -2. And all of them did the same thing, so it would look like this. So that would be your answer to number 5. So I hope this helps. Good luck.